Let's take up subjective questions on biomolecules. Glucose or sucrose are soluble in water, but cyclohexane or benzene, simple six-membered ring compounds, are insoluble in water. Explain. Glucose or sucrose is soluble in water because they have polar OH group and can form hydrogen bond with water. Whereas cyclohexane or benzene are hydrocarbons, non-polar, cannot form hydrogen bond, or insoluble in water. This is the written answer. Name the expected products of hydrolysis of lactose. Lactose on hydrolysis gives glucose and galactose. This is the disaccharide lactose. On hydrolysis in presence of HIN and lactase, you get glucose and galactose. How do you explain the absence of aldehyde group in pentaacetate of D-glucose? If we add Fehling solution to pentaacetate of D-glucose, it does not react. It shows that it does not have a free aldehyde group. The melting point and solubility of water of amino acids are generally higher than the corresponding halo acids. Explained. Reason is amino acids exist as Wigner ions or dipolar ions, due to which they form internal salt, and that is the reason that their melting point increases and they are soluble in water because they can form ions which are attracted by water molecules. Whereas halo acids do not form internal salt, so they have got lower melting point and also they are less soluble in water. Where does the water present in egg go after being the egg? Water gets consumed during denaturation of protein. When egg is boiled, the protein gets denatured, that is, coagulation takes place, that is, it loses biological activity, its secondary and tertiary structure gets ruptured, and water present in the egg gets absorbed in the coagulated protein, probably due to hydrogen bonding. Why vitamin C cannot be stored in our body? Because it is soluble in water and gets excreted. What products would be formed when nucleotides containing DNA from DNA containing thymine is hydrolyzed? We'll get heterocyclic base, thymine, adenine, cytosine, guanine, and deoxyribose is sugar, and phosphoric acid are the products of hydrolysis of DNA. If RNA is hydrolyzed, there is no relationship between the quantity of different bases obtained, just about structure of RNA. Complete hydrolysis of RNA will give pentose sugar, that is D-ribose, heterocyclic nitrogenous bases, just like purine bases, adenine and guanine, pyrimidine bases, uracil and cytosine, and phosphoric acid residue will be formed. The quantity of four bases obtained by hydrolysis is not related to each other because RNA has single helix structure. The conclusion from this observation is that RNA is single helical structure. What are monosaccharides? The simple sugars which cannot be hydrolyzed are called monosaccharides. Examples are glucose, fructose, galactose, ribose, deoxyribose. They have free aldehyde group, so they are reducing sugar. They reduce Fehling solution and form brick red precipitate. They also reduce Benedict's reagent, form brick red precipitate, and some of them reduce Tollens reagent and form silver mirror. What is meant by reducing sugar? Those sugars which have free aldehyde group and give brick red precipitate with Fehling solution or Benedict solution are called reducing sugar. List four main functions of carbohydrates in plant. They act as biofuel. Glucose, fructose, sucrose produce energy in our body. They store energy in our body in the form of glycogen. That is, our body has storage carbohydrate or polysaccharide, which is glycogen. And in the case when we are not taking food or we are fasting, glycogen gets hydrolyzed to form glucose. Cellulose forms cell walls of the plants. This is the most abundant carbohydrate present in plants. They are used in textile. Cellulose is used in textile, paper, and sugar, sucrose on hydrolysis gives glucose, and fructose, which on further fermentation give alcohol. So they are also used in alcohol industry. Classify the following into monosaccharides and disaccharides. Monosaccharides are ribose, 2-deoxyribose, galactose, fructose are monosaccharides. Disaccharides are maltose and lactose. Maltose is a disaccharide of 2 moles of glucose, whereas lactose is the disaccharide of glucose as well as galactose. What do you understand by the term glycosidic linkage? In disaccharide and polysaccharides, monosaccharide units are linked by oxide linkage or ether linkage, which is called glycosidic linkage. It is formed when two monosaccharide units joined together with the loss of water molecule. What is glycogen? How it is different from starch? Glycogen is polysaccharide. It's a polymer of glucose. Its structure is similar to amylopectin and is rather highly branched. Whereas starch consists of two components. One is amylose, another is amylopectin. Amylose is a linear polymer which is soluble in water. Amylopectin is branch chain polymer and insoluble in water. Carbohydrates are stored in animal body as glycogen and in plants body as starch. What are the hydrolysis product of sucrose and lactose? Sucrose on hydrolysis gives glucose and fructose, and this mixture is called invert sugar because sucrose is dextrorotatory and mixture of glucose and fructose is levorotatory. Lactose on hydrolysis gives glucose and galactose. What is the basic structural difference between starch and cellulose? Starch is a branch chain polymer of alpha glucose, whereas cellulose is a linear polymer of beta glucose. List the reactions of D-glucose, which cannot be explained by its open structure. It does not respond to Schiff reagent test or 2,4-DNP test, which is given by characteristic aldehyde group. It does not react with sodium bisulfite and ammonia. And pentaacetate of glucose does not react with hydroxylamine, indicating the absence of free aldehyde group. So any two we can write, and these are responsible for, these cannot be explained by open chain structure and shows that it has got cyclic structure. What are the essential and non-essential amino acids? Give one example of each type. Essential amino acids are those which must be part of our diet. They cannot be synthesized in our body. There are 10 essential amino acids and 10 non-essential amino acids. So essential amino acids are valine, leucine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, etc. Non-essential amino acids are produced in our body. They may not be part of our diet. For example, glycine, alanine, serine, cysteine, etc. Define the following: peptide linkage, primary structure, and denaturation. CONH bond formed by condensation reaction between amino acids in protein and polypeptides is called peptide linkage. The sequence in which amino acids are linked with each other in the polypeptide chains form primary structure. The process in which secondary structure and tertiary structure of protein are destroyed but primary structure remains intact, it can be brought about by heating, freezing, change in pH, etc. How do you explain the amphoteric behavior of amino acids? Amino acids have acidic group as well as basic group and exist in the form of sweeter ion. So if we have got acidic medium, that is presence of H ion, so this acid will get protonated and will give positive charge ion. If you have basic group, they will withdraw proton from here and you will get negatively charged ion. So it means they react with acid as well as base, that's why they are amphoteric in nature. Write the important structural and functional differences between DNA and RNA. Nucleic acids are polymer of nucleotides containing pentose sugar, heterocyclic base, and phosphate group. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, whereas RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. Difference between DNA and RNA. DNA contains deoxyribose as sugar, whereas RNA contains ribose as sugar. Both are pentose sugar. It contains thiamine along with other bases like adenine, cytosine, and guanine. It contains uracil along with other bases like adenine, cytosine, and guanine. DNA sends information and instruction to the cell for manufacture of protein, that is, it directs protein synthesis. RNA itself serves as a template for the protein synthesis. DNA has unique property of self-replication or duplication. It is responsible for maintaining heredity traits from generation to generation. RNA does not have property of self-replication and the genetic information passes on within the same cell from DNA to RNA and then on to protein. What is the effect of denaturation on the structure of proteins? Primary structure remains as it is during the denaturation, but secondary and tertiary structure gets ruptured and it also leads to loss of biological activity. How are vitamins classified? Name the vitamin responsible for coagulation of blood. Two ways of classifying vitamins: water-soluble vitamins B and C, fat-soluble vitamin A, D, K, and E. Vitamin K is responsible for coagulation of blood. Why are vitamin A and C essential to us? Give their important sources. Deficiency of vitamin A leads to xerophthalmia and night blindness, whereas deficiency of vitamin C leads to scurvy and bleeding of gums. Carrot, fish, liver oil, butter, pulses are sources of vitamin A, whereas citrus fruits, amla, green leafy vegetables are the sources of vitamin C. They are essential because they are water soluble and secreted in the urine every day. That's why they have to be taken regularly. What are nucleic acid? Mentioned there are two important functions. Nucleic acids are polymer of nucleotides containing ribose or deoxyribose as sugar and heterocyclic bases adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine and uracil and phosphoric acid residue. Their important functions are they help in synthesis of proteins and they are also responsible for transfer of genetic characteristics. What is the difference between a nucleoside and nucleotide? Or state what the following are and how they differ from each other, that is nucleotide and nucleoside. Nucleoside contains ribose or deoxyribose sugar and a heterocyclic base out of adenine, whereas nucleotides contain phosphoric acid residue along with heterocyclic base and pentose sugar, for example adenosine triphosphate. ATP is also called currency of energy because on hydrolysis is produced ATP, ADP and energy. The two strands of DNA are not identical but are complementary. Explained. DNA consists of two strands of polynucleotides coiled around each other in the form of double helix. The nucleotides making up each strand of DNA are connected by phosphodiester linkage. This forms the backbone of each DNA strand from which the bases extend. The bases of one strand of DNA are paired with bases of the other strand by means of hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bonding is very specific as the structure of the bases permit only one mode of pairing. That is, adenine can form hydrogen bond with thymine, thymine with adenine, cytosine with guanine, and guanine with cytosine. Adenine pairs only with thymine via two hydrogen bonds and guanine pairs with cytosine through three hydrogen bonds. The two strands of DNA are said to be complementary to each other in the sense that the sequence of bases in one strand automatically determines the other. These strands are not identical but complementary to each other. That is, adenine will pair with guanine, guanine will pair with adenine, cytosine with guanine, adenine will pair with thymine, thymine with adenine, cytosine with guanine, and guanine with cytosine.